Okay guys, welcome to Module 2. So, we know that we have to get to Canvas through Clever. We know how to navigate our dashboard. We've created a module within our Sandbox course and then created 3 placeholders in that module. One for an assignment, one for a page, one for a discussion. So now we're ready to add the color to our canvas. And by color, I mean content. And in this video, we're going to cover internal content. The stuff that comes from in here and in here, right? But seriously, it's the stuff that you create, right? If you have things from in Google Drive or from another source that you want to bring into Canvas, no problem. We'll cover that in the external content video. But for right now, we're going to cover the internal content, okay? So let me minimize this. So in this video, we're going to learn how to edit the page that we created that placeholder for. We're going to navigate the rich content editor, learn the buttons, and how to record a video. All right, so let me go ahead and jump into my Sandbox. Here we are. So we're on our home page, and our home page is currently in module view because we haven't created a page yet. So let's go ahead and do that. So right here is my home page. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to open up my home page, which is blank, right? So let's go ahead and change that. So I'm going to click on the edit button, and this is going to bring up my rich content editor. And here we are. Okay, so it looks just like any other text editor that you've worked with in, in pretty much every other program, right? You can, change your font and stuff right here, add hyperlinks, add pictures, video, all that kind of stuff, right? So let's go ahead and start playing with it. So for this video, I'm just going to create like a basic generic homepage. You can do the same thing if you like, or you can start creating a page for maybe a lesson that you want to do, maybe for an SEL practice that you want to do. It doesn't matter, okay? We're just playing around, but hopefully you'll start creating something that you're eventually going to use, right, in your class. So I'm just gonna start typing. So days. That's fine. Due date. You get the picture. All right, it's just word processing. If you want to change the font, you can always come up here, change the size, change the color, italic, underline, all that kind of stuff. Pardon me. Maybe if you wanted to add a picture, you can do that as well. So over here beside the link button is the image. We'll click on there. If you have something already saved on your computer, you can upload it. They also have an unsplash feature where you can search for items. So maybe I want to bring in a sunrise. I'll find a pic that I like. There we go. I'll click on it and drag it in to make it smaller. Let me click on the alignment button over here so you get my text over here. So again, whatever you can do on the word processing program, you can do over here. But you can also add video through the rich content editor, which is really, really cool. So if you want to go ahead and record a lesson, record your directions, which I highly, highly suggest. It's super easy, and it just makes sure that the kids can follow along, right? So if you want to do that, you come over here, and right beside the image button is the record media button. So I'll click right here. I can, if I have a video already saved, like maybe I recorded my lesson through Camtasia or something, and or Screencast-O-Matic or Screencastify, whatever you want to do, and you recorded your lesson, and you want to bring it in, you can just drag and drop the file right here. Or you can click on the record button and record something through the Canvas recorder. So here we are. I'll click start recording. Hey guys, Mr. Leroy here. Don't forget to read pages 100 through 131 and answer the 5 questions at the end. All right. Be sure to let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Or whatever you want to do. Okay. what a great picture. All right, so I'll hit save. And there's my video. Hopefully. Yeah, there we go. If I click on it, I have some video options right here. If I click on the video options, I'll get a little window expanding over here. So I can go ahead and embed the video, or I can display a text link and then they'll click on it and the video will open up in a new tab if I want to do it that way. I can make the video bigger if I wanted to. I can come over here and say, whoops. If I wanted 500 pixels. Done. Made it a little bit bigger. All right. And so on and so forth. All right. But you get the picture. So after you create your page, always be sure to hit save. All right. Now you're kind of limited as far as how good your page looks because like this is just a text editor. Okay. But you can always bring stuff in to make your page look a little bit better. Go ahead and hit save. So, like later on, I'll show you, you can always use like Canva to create images. Canva is a free website. And you can also use something as simple as like PowerPoint to like bring in your emojis and stuff like that, or Bitmojis, I mean, and create stuff like that. And then from there, I would just use my snipping tool, and I would just take screenshots of like whatever image I created, and then bring it into my Canvas page that way. So here's like an example of a homepage I did for my elementary course. Where's that? So here's my homepage, and again, all this is just I made this in PowerPoint. So I just brought in my Bitmojis, and then I would just use the shape tools and create shapes, and then save each one of those shapes, and then bring it into Canvas that way. Okay. And again, this is just like later on, but for right now, just play around with it. Okay. So play around with your page, create something you can use, hopefully, in your upcoming course, and I'll see you in the next video.